Hello and welcome to Prego Coding Classes. This is Amber Roy. In the previous video, we have seen how to code the trending information. So in this video, we'll code an activity which will let the user to change their profile. But before that, if you want to support this channel, there's a link given in the description box of my PayPal account. You can donate anything you want. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now before starting everything else, we need to get rid of a simple problem, that is change of the set title or changing the title name when you press the back, because the title name wasn't changing as you have seen in the previous video. Now if you have not seen the previous video, go and check that out first. So we need to go to on back pressed this overridden method. Now we need to do a simple change, that is if get title is not equal to general information, then we need to set title to general information, and that is it. Now this is the simple thing that you need to do. Now if you press back, as our default fragment is the general information fragment, the title would change automatically. Now we'll create an empty activity and design the layout. So activity, empty activity. Now name it edit file activity, finish. Now we'll wait for it to compile. So after the edit profile activity has been synced properly, the first thing what we need to do is go to on create, get rid of the support action bar, and then set the title to, don't need the title, rather we need to set the header. Now let's go to the design and change this constraint layout to scroll view. Set. Now we need to set a background. Let's get the preview. Background would be background, and we need a header. So let's assign a linear layout first. Linear layout of match parent and wrap content of orientation vertical. Now underneath this we need the image view of match parent, and height I guess would be 150 dp. Okay, let's just check what we did with the profile layout. So let's open the profile layout. Where is it? No, this is the edit profile, create this one. Now it was 150 dp only, so let it be as it is. Now after this we need to assign a source. I have done it already with Figma. That is the edit profile header. So this would be edit profile header. Now we need the scale type of center crop. That's it. Now just need to copy and paste everything. So not taking the radio button, so up till this. No, okay. So you can copy paste here. As you can see, so we just need to make some changes over here. So the text view first will be first name, then we need to change this to edit profile, and we don't need a hint, rather we'll give the user ID over here, and then we want the user to change it and then save it. So let's get rid of the hint. Now we need change this one. User also, so edit profile. Now this one, okay, I forgot to get rid of the hint. This one, get rid of the hint, and just right edit. That's it. Now we'll get rid of the hint. Edit. That's it now. Okay, these are the stuff I need the user to change. Then what I need is a button so that the user can save it. So button, wrap content. Then we need to assign a background, which is button background. Now we need a text which says save file. That's it. Now we need gravity. Layout gravity would be center. That's it. Now let's make it bold also. So style would be bold. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, I need a top margin here also. Now we need to assign a view underneath this. So a view of match parent and height would be 20. 20 is fine. No, make it 30. 30 is fine. Close it. Okay, this is looking quite good, and we have changed the names also. Need to give it an ID first. Edit profile, save button, and that's it. Okay, now that we are done with the layout, we can go on with coding, but we'll do it in the later video or the next video. So up till now, if you have learned something, give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Hit the bell icon so that you stay notified about my new videos then and there. So that's it. Thank you. See you in the next video.